Good morning. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Not the best starts to the day. Just got the chairs out to sit out for an hour or so. I've just sat on the croissants.
So you got the flat one?
I've got the flat one.
Yeah.
Quality. We travelled up from Mont Bazon yesterday afternoon and done about 3.5–4 hours driving up the A28 on our way back up towards Calais. Found a lovely little campsite just outside, just south of Rouen. We'll show you around in a minute and show you the facilities. Quite basic, but it's really clean, really tidy, in the middle of a forest, and it's lovely.
Lovely.
What's the time?
Croissant time.
Croissant time! This is Jay. Just got to show you this. We ordered our baguette and croissant for this morning. Also ordered some pan resins. I wouldn't believe the size of these things. Have a look. They must weigh 1 kilo each. Look at that beauty. How nice does that look? Gotta love a French pastry. Here we are. So it's a little washing machine. A little washing machine, little laundry area. Very nice.
Very nice.
Can do laundry?
No, wait till I get home.
Cute little kiddie little area. Just the little sink area. Yeah, very tidy. And the showers. Yeah, push button there, nice and clean, nice and tidy. Yeah, just a typical French setup, really. There's your awesome point. Got some statics over the back there. Must be a great big dog, big Alsatian. Outdoor gym. Son, we're going to go get your sports gear on.
No, don't think so.
The outdoor gym. The famous bowls courts. Table tennis. They do love a table tennis table. And tennis courts. Yeah, nice little oasis site. 21 euros for the night. We asked what time checkout was. They said we can leave any time tomorrow, which is handy because we're heading back to the tunnel.
Sad.
Sad. Just a little sand pit, the kiddies area. It's the little bar and restaurant. There's a reception that we check into. Bar and reception, little bar where we're going in tonight, and a grocery store. What is it with a French beer? But they don't fit right up to the top. Drives me mad. And when you ask them, they don't understand. campsite near Ruin. So you are right in the middle of a real foresty area. Absolutely stunning. Roads get a little bit narrow. Let all the French neighbours go first. Seeing as we're 3.5 tonne. The only sad thing is, where are we going, babe?
We're going back home.
Yeah, travelling back up to Calais, up to the Eurotunnel. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it won't be so much of the drama that we had last time and had to catch the ferry over. Oh, these little gîtes are beautiful. Yeah, more of a shed. That one.
I didn't do that.
Is it on flashing? Melville-sur-le-Bec. You just never ever see anybody. We came yesterday afternoon, Saturday afternoon, and there just wasn't a soul about. Not even in their gardens.
Everyone having a siesta. What's this building?
I reckon that is the mayor, where the mayor goes, what we call it. Merari.
Little church.
Yeah, lovely church. And that's us coming out the other side of Melville-sur-le-Bec.
Ciao for now. That's it.
Sad. Queuing to get onto the shuttle. Been good though, babe.
Yeah,
Enjoyed.
it's been really, really good, yeah.
Enjoyed. Yeah. Another journey
Until next time.
comes to an end. Tight squeeze, but vehicle recognition when you pull up to the barrier, print your tickets. We had the option to go earlier, which we pressed, but obviously it looks like we're on the
Normal one.
looks like we're on the one that we were scheduled to go on. But yeah, all in all, pretty happy.
Definitely.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Disaster. Absolute disaster. Travelled over 2,500 kilometres in France, right the way down to Bidart, down to Biarritz, without incident. Absolutely no trouble at all, in and out of tight spaces. And guess what? Come back to the UK within an hour of being back into the UK. I reverse into a post. Not great.
Funny man.
Done some damage to the corner. I'll show you. Actually caught it right on the corner. Obviously it broke off the plastic. Fortunately, not done any damage to the side panel or to that second runner. So it's solely where the light fitting goes. So basically, just this panel here. So yeah, we're away the weekend. So going to get it taped up. Fortunately, found a place in Southend-on-Sea, which is quoted as a really reasonable price just to actually replace that singular panel. And they do it kind of while you wait, so about an hour and a half, cut the other one out, put the other one on. But yeah, absolutely gutted. Yeah, I'll just show you the quick bush fix that I've done on the light fitting. Just got some Gorilla tape, white Gorilla tape. Just put it round. Yeah. Yeah, have to do till it goes in first week of December. But yeah, all done, but absolute disaster.